All right. All right. In this tutorial, we're going to add some color to this scene. So we have a house here. We have a floor. We have a table in there. And the table and the couch and stuff have textures applied to them. Um, and that's because that's the way they came. And actually, this wall has a texture applied to it. This one does not. You can see the checkerboards. So all of these have materials added to them already. It's just white. So we're gonna do something different to them. All right, we're gonna go to our content drawer down right down here, and we are looking at all the static meshes here. And what we want to do is look at all the materials. So I'm going to go right here to this little arrow here. That's where we add filters. That's how we added that static mesh filter. And I want to go to material right here. So if I add material to that, now I'm looking at materials and static meshes. I'm going to unclick status mesh. So I'm only looking at materials. And now I can see I have clay brick materials. I can grab that and drag it and drop it on that object right there. And now that has a clay brick material. All right. You can see it as I move around. It's not very well lit. Let's do this one here, this wall here. Let's do all four walls with a clay brick. All right, there we go. Nice. All right, let's do this back wall here too. Clay brick on there. Wonderful. And might as well do this one as well. Oops. I'm holding down the Alt key again so I can. Now I'm not holding down. I'm just left mouse button so I can move around here. Alt so I can rotate my view around like that and look at things a little differently. All right, and now I'm going to go to content drawer, clay brick, whatever that is. All right, and now I have that brick material on there. Is it the same one? Did I grab the same one? I did not grab the same one. Okay, great. Good job, Tony. I think it was the clay brick. There we go. There we go. Perfect. All right, there we go. Nice. All right, so that's that. And then if I want to add some colors to some other things, maybe I want to add a color to this. All right, let's do that. Now I can look and I can find something that I like. Maybe for the ground, I actually like this moss. Oh, here's some grass right here. Perfect. So I'm going to grab that grass and I'm going to drag it out here and drop it on the ground here on the floor. There we go. Beautiful. So now I got some grass going. All right. And now I'm going to open up the content drawer and look around for some other stuff. I don't see anything. I just want a plain old color. I don't see that. So I'm going to create a new material right here. So I'm going to right click right there and I'm going to go up to material and I'm going to click on that. And now I have a new material. I'm going to call this, I'm going to call it green. All right, because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the color green there. All right, so green. There it is, green. And now I can double click on this material. You can double click on any of these materials and make changes to them. But green, I'm going to double click on because it's not green right now. It's gray. When I double click on any material, the material editor here will be shown. That's what my material kind of looks like. All right. And here, if I look here, this is a node. And the first control on the node is the base color. So I can click on that. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to change that to a green. I want a nice little green like that. There we are. I'm going to click OK. And now this should pop up as green. There you go. Nice. Now there's a lot of different controls: metallic, specular, roughness. Roughness right now is 0.5, and that's a little bit shiny. I can double click this and make this 1, and then it's rougher. and now there's less shininess. If I go in here and I make this roughness 0, it's going to be really shiny. So I get a reflection off of it. All right. What do I want? Maybe I want that. Maybe I'll just go with that. All right. I'm going to close that and I'm going to say yes. This is just checking to make sure I do want to save all these changes to that material. Yeah, I do. It's a new material that I created anyways, so why not? All right. And I'm going to go into content drawer. There's my green and I'm going to drop it right onto there. Boom, green. Yay. All right. Maybe I can go in here. No, I like that color. I like the shininess. Maybe I'll just go in here and duplicate that. Maybe I'll call this brown. All right. And I want to go in here. There's brown. That's brown. This one, make sure you double click on the right one. Open it up. I'm going to make this brown. Let's see if I can find a brown in here. How do you make brown? There we go. There we go. All right. So I'm going to make a dark brown like that. Okay. And roughness is going to be 1. So this is not shiny at all. Ooh, I made it 10. Nice. Okay, great. 10 is fine. It's nice. It looks good. All right. So there's my brown texture. Yep. I'm going to say yep. And that's just going to be on my roof. I'm going to make my roof like that. So let me I'm holding down the left mouse button, hitting the E key just so I rise up a little bit. Q goes down, E goes up. All right, so I can now I'm going to hold down the Alt key and left mouse button, drag around so I can rotate around and just so I can see it better. And now I'm going to open up my content drawer, grab my brown, drag it onto the roof there. Great. Alt key, drag so I can look at the other one. Drag my brown on there. And that's how you make colors. So that's how you texture things. That's how you can grab, like I said, you can grab all these different textures out of here. These are the starter content textures. Use any of these, or you can make your own as well, like I did here. All right. One more thing. Last thing I want to show you is just like double click on this. It's green. I can change it. Right now, the blend mode here is opaque. And I can change that to translucent. And now it should look like glass. Waiting for it to look like glass. It's not looking like glass. Opacity on my glass is 1. So I'm going to change that to 5. Let's see if we get a little glassy look. There we go. It's okay. It's transparent. It's not very glassy. Okay. Yeah. That's what I get when I do. And I'm going to show you something extra. And now, translucency. I need refraction. There it is. Refraction method, index of refraction. This is just how much it bends light when light goes through it. All right. And then my index of refraction. Okay. Glass is 1.52. Sorry. I'm a physics major, so I know these things. All right. And now it has the index of refraction of glass there. Still doesn't look that glassy, but okay, that's how you add transparency to things. And maybe I'll make it just a little bit less opaque. Maybe I'll make it 0.7. See what that looks like. Okay. Green. Okay, fine. Let's get out of here. Say yes to this. And now my sphere should look like a green glass ball. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. There's my green glass ball. Yeah, looks cool. All right. Anyways, there you go. Give it a try. Color. everything that you've created, add a material to it, make your own, and show me what you created. All right.